You are now rocking with the best.
Hello Visionary Beauties, welcome to the channel, and if you're stopping by for the very first time, welcome, and I'm glad you came on by to stop and check out this gorgeous slay. If you love anything about color, honey, this is so gorgeous. This colorway is absolutely gorgeous. Now, this is not for the faint of heart, obviously, for obvious reasons, but if you're looking for a little color, if you're not afraid of color, because you know I think outside the box, then this is a gorgeous wig. This wig doesn't come without any cons, so we're gonna get into that in just a minute. I'm sitting here rambling, right, y'all? So y'all wanna know who this is, right? So let me tell you who this is, okay? Just a little backstory on this. So I did purchase this about a year ago, last year. I just haven't had time to get around to it. I'm gonna do a bunch of wigs like that. I'm just gonna do a little video bomb because I gotta get these wigs out. This wig is by Outre and it's their Color Balm Premium Synthetic Fibers, and it says Balayage Highlights, face framing, color tinted to root, soft Swiss lace, and natural baby hairs. Now this wig is in the styles Zoey and in the color Pink Punch. Yes. Now this is heat safe up to 400 degrees. So yeah, let me go ahead and show you the stock card. And this is the back of the card. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the cap design. Here's what it looks like out of the pack. Beautiful body wave curls. It's kind of giving me Gaki vibes. So you get your combs, one hair, obviously your lace at the front. And then you have your fixed parting, which you can see inside as well. And then you have your comb at the back, and then your adjustable straps. So the unit is dark rooted, but it's more of a burgundy, and it's not throughout. It's mostly at the top, just pretty much at the top right here. So you do also get your baby hairs. You get more on the side that is parted, which is the left side. Those are our left side parts, so you can see the baby hairs all right here. And it's not so much baby hairs on this side, so it's a pretty sparse baby hairs on this unit. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this on and come back. My purchases, like I said, this is not a new wig. This is a purchase that I made about a year ago, and obviously I love me some color, and I had a bunch, literally a bunch of wigs lying around that I wanted to get into. So this is the wig. You guys know I'm not afraid of color, so I did want to go try this, and I do love this unit. But let's get to the pros. The pros are that the colorway is absolutely gorgeous. It comes off as like a light yaki unit. It has dark roots, but it's not like a black dark root. It's more of a burgundy dark roots, and it's not always throughout the unit. It's just pretty much centered up at the top, which is not a problem because it's a left side part, so you're not going to be parting and moving it around because it's a fixed part. And it's a deep side part, and I believe the parting is about, I want to say about maybe 5 inches. Now, the cons. The cap. The cap is actually not that big head friendly. I'm going to be honest with you. I love that this is a different cap for me because the material they use to construct the cap is a very soft, very soft spandex material, and it feels really comfortable and soft on my skin. But the cap is a little small, and it stops a little short before my hairline, which sucks. But this is good for those with smaller heads, so it's clearly I got a big head. I'm gonna go ahead and show you. Now, I did do some of the baby's hairs. I didn't use anything to tack this unit down because, like I said, it stops short before my hairline, and I didn't want to bother with it, to be honest with you. My hairline, you can't see because the baby hairs are right here, but it stops short. My hairline is literally right there. There we go. It's right, it stops short. It's right here. My hairline's right here. And the lace stops a little bit right here, but it's covered with the baby hairs. Let's see if you can see it better on this side. Probably, yeah, definitely. You see how you can even see some of the cap. This is where it literally stops. I can't pull it forward. The cap stops there, just before my hairline. So right here. And then also the baby hairs, I don't feel like they go all the way down. It just pretty much stops at the temple. But if you're wearing a side swoop, chances are you're not going to be worried too fussy about the baby hairs. But Yeah, and as you can see, the curls are really, really gorgeous. I didn't do much to it except finger comb it with my hands, run my hands through it like so. Now, I did get a lot of shedding literally I got shedding out of the pack and shedding after I removed the lace and did a little finger combing. So that's another con. But I'm not sure what the price of the wig is now, but hopefully it's discounted. But it's gorgeous. Like I said, it comes in other colorways that you might want to check out. I would use this for like a really like out on the town with the girls. This is definitely not an everyday wig unless you're a hairstylist. You don't have to be a hairstylist unless you like this color every day. This is definitely not an everyday wig. You can buy it in the more natural tones if you so choose. I do like this wig. I will probably wear it again, but I'm gonna have to obviously wear it behind my hairline. I'm gonna have to bring out my own baby hairs because it is stopping short, so it fell short for me there. But it is a color bomb to be exact. Let me go ahead and give you that 360. You purchase and have this wig, let me know down in the comment section which one you purchased, what color you purchased, and how do you feel about it, how do you like it. Yeah, so that's pretty much the specs on this unit. If you want to stay up to date and catch new wig reviews or just reviews in general, because I do everything here on this channel, DIYs, beauty reviews, product reviews, everything. If you want to catch me and stay up to date, you can follow me on my social media platforms, Annette Beauty on Instagram, and Visionary Beauty is my Facebook group. With that said, if you have anything you want to say, leave that down in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to get back to you. I'll leave all information to the link to purchase this unit in the description box, so please, please, please do not forget to check that out. There'll be more information down there below. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share, because sharing is caring and it's free. What? And as always, stay fabulous, honey, and safe, and be your own vision of beauty. Till next time, bye.